Ever notice how every time you roll your bike into the workshop, the mechanic suddenly discovers a laundry list of urgent problems? You go in for a simple oil top-up and somehow leave with an empty wallet and a brand new chain, brake pads, coolant, and a dent in your trust. It almost feels like these guys have a sixth sense. Or maybe they've just mastered the art of upselling. Here's the truth. Motorcycles aren't as fragile as some shops make you believe. Yes, maintenance is non-negotiable if you want your bike to last. But a lot of what they tell you is necessary isn't magic. It's stuff you can do yourself with a little knowledge and a couple of cheap tools. In this video, I'm breaking down 8 insider maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know. These are the same tricks seasoned riders and old-school mechanics keep to themselves because, well, if you knew them, you wouldn't be paying for unnecessary services. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save money, avoid getting ripped off, and keep your bike running smoother, longer. Let's kick it off with the first big one. Number 1. Chain cleaning isn't rocket science. You ever roll your bike into a shop because the chain's making a little squeak? And before you can even put the kickstand down, the mechanic's already shaking his head. Oh yeah, mate, that chain's done. Needs a full kit. New chain, new sprockets, gonna cost ya. And you're standing there thinking, wait, it just squeaked once on the way here. Here's the truth. 9 times out of 10, a noisy chain doesn't mean it's finished. It just means it's dirty or a little dry. Chains are tougher than mechanics want you to believe. They don't magically self-destruct overnight. What they really need is a proper clean and lube. And guess what? You don't need a $30 specialty motorcycle spray to do it. A simple toothbrush and some kerosene will scrub off the gunk, and a decent chain lube will keep it smooth. The payoff? You'll add thousands of extra kilometers to your chain's life. Your sprockets won't grind themselves to death, and you'll keep a fat stack of cash in your pocket. And speaking of things that wear out slowly, let's talk about oil. Number 2. Oil change timing myth. Dealers love telling you to change oil every 1,000 kilometers. Sounds responsible, right? Like they're looking out for your engine. But here's the truth. They're looking out for their invoice. Modern bikes and modern oils are built to go way longer than that. Unless you're thrashing your machine on the track or crawling through dusty deserts every day, you don't need to be draining and refilling that often. Most manufacturer manuals recommend anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 kilometers, or even longer with synthetic oil. But if you're rolling into the shop every 1,000 kilometers because they made you paranoid, you're just pouring liquid gold down the drain. And here's the insider bit. Overchanging your oil doesn't just cost you money. It's wasteful for the environment, too. That extra care pitch is basically a cash register in disguise. Stick to the factory intervals, or split the difference if it makes you sleep better at night. Your bike will run smoother, last longer, and you'll keep your money for fuel and upgrades. Now, oil's the lifeblood of your engine, but your tires, that's your grip on life. Number 3. Tire pressure, the silent killer. It's not the pothole that kills your tire, it's the pressure you forgot to check. Most riders blame a nail, a bump, or bad luck when a tire gives out. But the real culprit is usually neglect. Here's what happens. When your tire is underinflated, it flexes too much, heats up faster, and wears down unevenly. That constant stress weakens the sidewalls until, boom, you're stranded on the side of the road wondering how a tiny leak turned into a full blowout. The worst part? Mechanics love this. A ruined tire means a replacement sale. And maybe even a pair of new ones if they convince you to stay balanced. Here's the insider truth. You don't need them to tell you. A $10 handheld pressure gauge and 30 seconds before each ride is all it takes. And always check pressure when the tires are cold, not after a long ride. Correct pressure means longer tire life, smoother handling, and way fewer roadside horror stories. But tires aren't the only rubber that mechanics love to replace early. Let's check your bike's silent guardian. Number 4. Rubber parts and silicone spray hack. Ever had a shop tell you your rubber hoses are cracking and need a full swap, usually right before a big trip? They'll hold up the part like it's about to crumble in your hands, and suddenly you're staring at a quote that looks more like a hospital bill. Here's the reality. Yes, rubber parts, your hoses, grommets, and seals, do age. Sunlight, heat, and time will dry them out, but they don't usually fail overnight. What most shops won't mention is that you can extend their life dramatically with something as simple as a $5 to $10 can of silicone spray. A quick spritz on your hoses and rubber bits keeps them supple, prevents cracks, and even protects against moisture. It's the same trick seasoned riders use in rainy regions to stop rubber from hardening. The result? Fewer surprise leaks in your fuel lines or coolant hoses, smoother throttle action, and way less money handed over for parts you didn't really need. All right, your rubber's protected. But what about the part mechanics love to upsell? Your brake fluid.
Number 5. The brake fluid truth.
Your mechanic says you must flush your brake fluid every 3 months. Guess what? That's nonsense. Here's the deal. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means it slowly absorbs moisture from the air. Over time, that water content lowers the boiling point and can make your brakes feel spongy. But unless you're racing on the track every weekend or living in a super humid coastal area, you don't need to bleed and replace your fluid every few months. That's just a sales pitch to keep the register ringing. Most motorcycle manufacturers recommend a brake fluid change every 2 years, not every oil change. And here's the insider trick. You don't have to guess. You can buy a $15 to $20 brake fluid tester, dip it in your reservoir, and it'll literally tell you how much moisture is in there. If it's still clear and within spec, ride on with confidence. Doing this saves you hundreds over the years, keeps your braking crisp, and ensures that when you grab that lever in an emergency, it actually responds. But while we're at the front of the bike, let's talk about something that's always overlooked: the forks.
Number 6. Fork seal rescue trick.
You roll your bike into the shop, spot a little line of oil on the fork leg, and before you can even say hello, the mechanic's shaking his head. Oh no, full fork rebuild, buddy. Gonna cost you. And just like that, your weekend ride budget turns into a shop bill. But here's the thing, that leak might not be a blown seal at all. 9 times out of 10, it's just a speck of dirt or dust wedged under the lip of the seal, letting a tiny bit of oil sneak out. That's it. Here's the insider trick most mechanics won't mention. Grab a $5 seal make tool, or even cut a thin strip from a plastic bottle. Gently slide it under the seal. Rotate it, and you'll often see dirt come out, and the leaks stop instantly. No need to crack open the forks or pay hundreds in labor. Do this quick rescue and your suspension stays buttery smooth without draining your bank account. Now, forks can leak, but batteries? Mechanics love to tell you they're dead way too early.
Number 7. The battery myth.
According to some shops, your battery has the lifespan of a loaf of bread. 2 years and it's toast. They'll say, "Oh, it's just how it is. Better swap it out." And you're left thinking, seriously? I barely ride this thing. How is it already dead? Here's the truth. Most modern motorcycle batteries aren't as fragile as they make them out to be. With proper care, a quality battery will easily last 4, even 6 years. The number one killer isn't age, it's neglect.
Letting your bike sit for months with the battery slowly draining is like leaving a phone at 0% for weeks. It shortens the life dramatically. The insider move? Get yourself a $20 smart charger, often called a battery tender. Plug your bike in when it's parked for long stretches, and it'll keep the battery topped up without overcharging. Bonus trick: if you're storing your bike for winter, just disconnect the battery to avoid parasitic drain. Alright, the battery's sorted. But there's one hidden spot that mechanics pray you never check.
Number 8. Air filter reality. Pop quiz. How often do you actually check your air filter? If your answer is, whenever the shop tells me, we need to talk. Because here's a little secret. Your air filter isn't some ticking time bomb that needs replacing at every service, no matter what the invoice says. Air filters are designed to last. Sure, they collect dust, bugs, and road grime, but that doesn't mean they're instantly useless. In fact, most of the time, all they need is a quick clean. Grab a can of compressed air, blow it out gently from the inside out, or wash it if you've got a reusable filter. Suddenly, that dirty needs replacing part looks brand new again. Here's the insider truth. Dealerships make a killing selling you OEM filters at crazy markups. But a little DIY cleaning can keep your bike breathing freely without draining your wallet. The payoff? Better airflow, smoother throttle response, and improved fuel economy, all while staying in full control of your own maintenance. So we've covered your chain, oil, tires, rubber, brakes, forks, and filter. But let's tie this all together. Here's the thing. Mechanics aren't villains. They're running a business. But a lot of the urgent jobs they pitch are just simple tasks you can master yourself. When you break these bad habits, you're not just saving money, you're proving you're a rider who knows his machine. So, which of these tips surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button if you've ever been upsold at the shop. And of course, subscribe, because next time, we're exposing the upgrades that actually make your bike better. Ride smart, ride safe, and never let a mechanic's secret drain your freedom.